Welcome students to class 3 Maths, chapter 5 Multiplication. I hope you all fine. Okay, let us start. All of you take page number 62, exercise 5.7. First question is that MCQ multiple choice question. Students, read this question carefully. A man had put his money in 25 purses. Each purse contained rupees 250. The total amount of money of the man is. Students, in this question what we need to do is read the question carefully first, then read one sentence at a time. Here first sentence is that a man had put his money in 25 purses. So here 25 a man had put his money in 25 purses. First sentence is that a man had put his money in 25 purses. So write first sentence total number of purses. First sentence is that total number of purses, and second statement is that each purse contained rupees 250. The total amount of money of the man is. So next sentence is that each purse contained is equal to rupees 250. So here one more sentence is there. The total amount of money of the man is. So students, write here total amount of money is equal to 250 into 25. So let us start doing this. 25. First ones column 5 zeros is equal to 0. 5 5s are 25. 2 is carry forward to the next column. Then 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Next 0. Next column 5 into 2 10. 1 is carried forward to the next column. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 0 5 2 1 plus 5 6. So total amount of money is equal to total amount of money is equal to 6,250. 6,250. This is the right answer. So students, do this as a homework, question number 2. Okay, question 2. There are 62 beads in a chain. How many beads will be required to prepare 28 such chains? Here also students, read the question first, then read first sentence carefully. There are 62 beads in a chain. How many beads? 62 beads. Then next sentence, how many beads will be required to prepare 28 such chains? For this we have to multiply 62 by 28. Understood? 62 by 28. Okay, let us check. Okay, question is here. There are 62 beads in a chain. How many beads will be required to prepare 28 such chains? So students, For this question, we have to read this question or read question carefully. Then read one sentence at a time. Here, first sentence is that there are 62 beads in a chain. So solution. There are 62 beads. So first statement, the total number of beads in a chain is equal to 62. So read next sentence, how many beads will be required to prepare 28 such chains. So next sentence is that how many beads will be required to prepare 28 such chains. So next step is that 28 chains required beads equal to 28 into 62. So this number into 62. So let us check 62 into 28. One's column first, 8 into 2, 16. 1 is carried forward to the next column, 6 into 8. What 6 into 8? 40. 8. 48 plus 1, 49. Okay, next 2 into 2, 4. 6 into 2, 12. 6. You can write directly here down. Then 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 is carried forward to the next column. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next 1. So, "28 chains required beads equal to 28 into 62, that is equal to 1736. 1736. Okay, next question is that question number 3. Yesterday we have done this. The price of an article is rupees 232. Find the price of such 42 articles. We have done yesterday. Okay, next question number 4. Students, read the question carefully first. Then read first sentence. There are 36 trees in a row. How many trees are there in 96 rows? Here first sentence is that there are 36 trees in a row. So second sentence, how many trees are there in 96 rows? So we have to multiply 96 by 36. We have to multiply 96 with 36. Okay, students, do this. This is a homework. Question number 4. Question number 5. A sofa set cost rupees 3225. Find the cost of such 3 sofa set. First, all of you read the first sentence. A sofa set cost rupees 3225. This is your first sentence. A sofa set cost rupees 3225. This is your first statement. Next statement is that find the cost of such 3 sofa set. Here you have to multiply 3225 by 3. Understood? 3225 by 3. Okay. Question number 5, also homework. Okay, next question. If the cost of one table is rupees 1160, find the cost of such 8 tables. Okay, students, read this question carefully. If the cost of one table is rupees 1160, find the cost of such 8 tables. So students, read first sentence first. If the cost of one table is rupees 1160, So they are trying to tell us about the cost of one table. Okay. What is the cost of one table? Is equal to 1160. So write the cost of one table is equal to 1160. Okay, next read the second sentence. Find the cost of such 8 tables. So students, what is your second statement? All of you say, what is your second statement? Find the cost of 8 tables. Find the cost of 8 tables. Or the cost of, you can write like this also, the cost of 8 tables is equal to 8 into 1160. So let us check 1160 into 8. Ones column first, 0 into 8, that is equal to 0. Next 6 into 8, 6 into 8 is equal to 48. So write 8 here and let's carry forward 4 to the next column. Then next 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So 2 to carry to the and 1 to next column. Understood? Okay, 1 8. What is 1 8? 1 8 sir 8. 8 plus 1 9. So the answer is 9280. So the cost of 8 tables is equal to 9280. The cost of 8 tables is equal to 9280. Okay. Okay students, let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.